All right. So, got our gate hook. I don't even know if I'm in frame here. And we have two of the little staple parts. Okay, these are just like nails. Okay, so what we do here, and I've actually already done it for this, is we put the first staple, this is the one I'm going to be hooking the gate latch up to hold it to the door, and I use the pencil to just mark all the spots. Okay, set this here and this here. You grab Mr. Drill, and this is nothing special, it's just a little 8-inch bit. And we come over to our marks, and we just, you don't got to go too crazy. My main reason for pre-drilling these holes is I built it in a rush, and I know it's not the sturdiest, and I don't want to risk caving my whole door in. All right, Mr. Drill is good to go for the second. We take Mr. Little Tiny Ball Peen Hammer. We put the staple through the gate hook. Put one tip in. Some little tappy tap taps, ABE style. And then we're going to take this hook and we're going to scrape right here. Normally I would suggest using a pencil, making a tiny line, but it's my garbage shop and I don't. All right, she's good and in. So then what we're going to do is we're going to take this guy, put it right here so that our mark is centered, and just scribe it. All right, and then we're going to take our drill. We're going to go about right there, get off the cord. We got 2 holes drilled. Things are looking great. All right. Now, take our little hammer and just tap, tap, tap. Throw that in. Just like that, we got a fully functional gate latch.